Wall build-ups for passive design. We've had a few customers ask us for this particular functionality, and I'm going to show you what we've just done. It is in beta at the moment, guys. However, we've enabled the wall tool to add barriers or vapor barriers in multiple sections, or insulation in multiple sections. And you can see there that we've got it on the outside skin of the frame. We've got on the inside skin of the frame. You can also have insulation internal here. You can have it on the outside of battens as well. You can also have a solid insulation. I'm going to show you how to do this roughly. And you can also utilize these as vignettes. So for instance, you can create the same construction methodology on every home that you build, or on different methodologies on different homes. And the reason why you would do this is so you can show the customer why you're actually charging more, or what needs to be done to ensure that the house complies. At the same time, you can show your subcontractors how this needs to go together. At the same time, you can cost it to ensure that you can justify the update at the same time as compare it to a typical construction method. So you might have other architects or other builders that are quoting against you that are not doing the same thing as you. You can quickly show them how you're going to do that and associated cost with it. So guys, again, vignettes, if you've seen my video, if not, look it up on YouTube. Walls create similar wall. And basically it's taking all of the options out of this wall and it's putting them together so that we can see how that wall's done, right? If I wanted to create, say, something with a solid insulation, right click, walls, create similar wall. And it's going to create that wall type, right? Obviously you can add windows and doors and everything through these. Now guys, probably one thing that you may not have been aware of is that you can actually change the step downs here of your claddings and inside of the wall tool. So the first thing I'm going to show you is where you would add that material, right? You could change that to, say, ply membrane or whatever it might be. Quickly just go here, right? And now it's actually added the thickness of the ply, because in America, they put this on every single home. However, in Australia, we'll use it intermittently for bracing. You can also change the step downs of these items. You'll notice here in the dialog that we now have the ability to add more materials, more insulation to these wall types. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you've got cladding, lining overrides. If you're ever looking for any help, you can hover over these orange. However, to explain it, you'll notice we have a step down. We might have it for floor joists, or upstand for roof trusses, or floor joists upstairs. If you type in a positive integer for the base, it will drop the cladding down, right? If you type in a negative integer at the top, it will go up. If you need your battens to align with it because they're going to fix onto the end of a truss or a joist, simply tick these boxes and you'll notice that we now have battens that are sitting at the top to support that cladding or insulation if that's the case. Guys, I hope it helps. If you've got any questions, ask them below. This is in beta, but it should be released in the next release of Plus Architect or Plus Design Build. So if you're doing sustainable passive homes, this is probably they're the right two plugins for you. As again, you've got any questions, ask them below. If you like the video, push like. If you dislike the video, push dislike, and tell us why. Cheers, guys.